Welcome to Dearborn Restaurant Directory, featuring this wonderful restaurant and other neighborhood restaurants in the heart of Dearborn, Michigan. We're passionate about serving the community with exceptional restaurants and cuisines across the great city of Dearborn. Please take a minute to watch this video to learn more about today's amazing restaurant picks. Find them by clicking the link below. Check out the best deals of the day right here in the Dearborn Restaurant Directory. Thanks, and enjoy your meal.
At Oasis, we are guided by the principles of authenticity and tradition. Our culinary maestro has meticulously curated a menu that honors centuries-old recipes, using only the finest, locally sourced ingredients. Each dish embodies the essence of Middle Eastern heritage, promising an unparalleled gastronomic journey. Prepare to embark on a culinary adventure as our skilled chefs work their magic, blending exotic spices with fresh, vibrant ingredients. Our menu boasts an array of mouth-watering dishes that capture the essence of the Middle East, from succulent kebabs to aromatic stews, each morsel a testament to our unwavering commitment to culinary excellence. Indulge in the grandeur of our Oasis platters, a true feast fit for royalty. Generously adorned with an assortment of our finest delicacies, these platters are meticulously crafted to elevate any gathering. Whether it's an intimate celebration or a grand event, our platters will leave a lasting impression on your guests. Escape into the captivating ambience of Oasis Middle Eastern Kitchen, where the warmth of our hospitality complements the exquisite flavors of our cuisine. We invite you to join us for an unforgettable dining experience that will tantalize your taste buds and create lasting memories. Make your reservation today and let us transport you to the culinary heart of the Middle East.